So today we're looking at our visit to Weta Caves in Wellington. Ew, that's nasty. First, take a look at how good the view was. It was a bit rainy, but it cleared up as we got closer to Weta Caves. It's really nice in Wellington. They have a few big statues right outside. You don't even have to enter the premises to start taking awesome photos. Or even just silly ones like this. We did the Weta workshop experience in the section where you're not allowed to film. They show us all about how they made props for different movies, including Lord of the Rings. I'm just going to take you through the entrance area here, which is free to browse. Obviously, like I said, we couldn't record the other areas, but it was really cool. We have the same eyes. As it says, everything is handmade here on site, and it was used in the actual movies. And this is still just the free area. This is none of the stuff that's behind the scenes that we weren't allowed to film. That stuff was also extra cool. So it's definitely worth the experience even if you don't do the actual workshop tour, but I highly recommend you do it. You're there anyway, you may as well get the full experience.